All right, again, so we're talking about adding and subtraction, rational expressions, okay? So a function has an equal sign on it. All right, so this is a function, y equals 1 over x, or f of x equals 1 over x, and you can graph a function, okay? But we're talking about expressions today. We're basically combining, combining like terms. I mean, combining expressions, okay? So for example, right, we're talking about simplifying expressions. Okay, simplify expressions, all right. On both situations, okay, both situations, your denominator must be the same. Okay, it must be the same, or called a common denominator. Okay. It's called a common denominator. Okay, so for example, like we're talking about addition. Okay, and we have A over C plus B over C. Right, well, we recognize that the denominators are the same. So you just write same. Okay, denominators are the same. So now we leave the denominator the same, it does not change. Okay, and then you just add the top part. So it just be A plus B over C. That will be your answer for the addition portion. Okay, so like if we're doing numbers in there, right? So you have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2, right? You recognize that, oh, the 2's are the same. So that stays the same when my answer comes. Okay, now I just got to add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, that gives me 4. 4 over 2 equals 2, right? You simplify it all the way till you can't simplify it anymore. Okay, you simplify all the way until you can't anymore. All right, so we got, again, we're walking through it. So we had the same denominator here. Okay, so it stayed the same on the answer. All right, then you add the numerators. 1 plus 3 gives you 4 over 2 equals 2. 2 would be your answer. Okay, always box your answer. All right, if we're talking about subtraction. Okay. So if we're talking about subtraction, okay, the rule stays the same, right? Your denominator has to be the same. It stays the same. The only thing that changes is the sign, okay? So I have A over C minus B over C, okay? My denominators are the same. So they stay the same in the answer choice. The only thing that changes, like I said, okay, up here it's addition, obviously, so it's A plus B. Over here it's going to be A minus B. Okay, A minus B. All right. Again, we throw in numbers. Let's say we have 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Okay. Your denominators are the same. That's the first thing you got to look at. They're the same. So you have 3 minus 1 over 2, right? Because I took the numerator, I did 3 minus 1 over 2. That gives me 2 over 2. which just gives me 1. I'm simplifying it all the way down till I can't anymore. Okay, simplifying all the way down until you can't anymore. If you have any questions, make sure y'all ask, or yeah, you're gonna have to ask, because if we put it in the chat, I won't see it right now. Okay, make sure you just unmute yourself and ask a question. Or if I'm going too fast, let me know. Tell me to slow down. Okay? Good? Everyone in here is good? Yep. Lexi, you good? Okay. So we're going to do examples now. So example 1. Example 1. I have 6 over x minus 5 plus x plus 2 over x minus 5. Okay? And nothing should ever change for you, okay? Just because we threw in letters in there does not change anything, all right? So, is this an addition or subtraction? Okay, it should be addition, all right? So we're going to look at the addition rules up here, okay? First thing I got to see is if my denominator is the same. If they are the same, I'm going to circle them. Circle them and then you write same, so you know, okay? In my answer choice, in my answer, I'm going to write the denominator on the bottom already so I don't make a mistake. Okay? Now, the top part is the same thing. Imagine this was A and imagine this was B, right? Over here you're doing A plus B, so you just write it out like that. So you have 6 plus X plus 2. 6 plus X plus 2. But this is not simplified yet because you can still simplify. There's still like terms up here that you can combine on the numerator. Denominator already is done. Okay, so again, you can write the denominator, so x minus 5. Okay, but you can still combine your numbers, right? There's no other x on there, so it's just going to be x. These both are positive, so it's going to be plus 2 plus 6 gives me 8. Okay? And that is your answer choice. It's simplified. Okay, is anyone confused on that?